In a previous video, we showed you how a legacy CNC was used to reproduce a baluster for a very famous historical building that was being renovated. In an upcoming video, we will show you how to reproduce the newel posts that go with the balusters. In this video, we will focus on turning and carving this intricately carved finial to the top of the newel post. To begin, we glued up the turning blank with the middle section measuring 9.5 inches across. The corners were removed on this section to accommodate the 11-inch swing diameter capacity of an artisan CNC. Legacy's conversational cam was used to create the program to turn the stock round and add some of the turning details. Using a core box bit, we're able to quickly form many of the graceful arcs in the design. ArtCam Pro was used to create the program to carve the leaves around the perimeter of the finial. We chose ArtCam Pro because it allows you to see what the part will look like after you wrap the carving around the post, but before you make any sawdust. Modeling the wrapped program on the screen allows you to make corrections to the program before you start milling, eliminating the time and expense of machining a prototype. To start the carving, we used a tapered 1/8 inch diameter carving bit. In many cases, you can complete a carving using just this one cutter. The tapered shaft eliminates vibration and allows you to make very deep cuts to waste the excess wood, while the 1/8 inch diameter tip finishes the details. In this case, a second cutter was used to make a final pass. The tip of this cutting tool is only 60 thousandths of an inch in diameter, resulting in very fine details. Deciding which cutting tools you will use when carving is a compromise between detail and speed. Smaller diameter cutters will provide fine details, but will obviously require a lot more time to finish the part. Most of the CAM software used for carving will allow you to see the amount of detail and estimate the cutting time before you start cutting. The carving tool was also used to form some of the turning details. Obviously, using a tool profile to turn a detail is much faster. However, the carving bit allows you to reach into tight corners and form irregular shapes that might not be possible using a profile router bit. Legacy woodworking machinery has a rich history in ornamental turning and milling. Over the past 20 years, Legacy has designed specialty cutting tools and pioneered the ornamental turning and milling processes. When you combine this rich history, experience, and knowledge with Legacy's new line of 5-axis CNCs, you have the most versatile CNC available to woodworkers ranging from the serious hobbyist to the most demanding production shop. This incredible finial is just one more example of what is possible using a Legacy 5-axis turning CNC. Between the carving capabilities and ornamental turning capabilities of these powerful CNC systems, the only limitation is your imagination. For more information, please call Legacy at 800-279-4570 or visit us on the web at www.legacycncwoodworking.com.